Hello everyone. Today we introduce Arch Chinese handwriting tool to you. So archchinese.com is very practically useful platform, consists lots of worksheets and tools designed by Mandarin teaching specialists, teachers over nearly 20 years, have a great stuff on it. Also excellent for independent learners, adult learners, and it's great for teachers. So for children, younger children, for practice handwriting, we use handwriting for assignments in the classroom or for home learning practice. What you need to do is go into artchinese.com as instructed by the teacher. You do not need a user sign in. No need for sign in at all. And click handwriting. Then you go into this page, the home page of handwriting. Then you go, do not use saved vocabulary list. Ignore that. Go to find a vocabulary list. Because if you use a saved vocabulary list, you need a login detail so you can retrieve what you saved for yourself in your account. So do not worry about that one unless you want to set up your own account. For homework practice, you need to go into the find vocabulary list. For example, you key in the vocabulary list given by the teacher, capital, sensitive, everything exactly same as given. You do a search. Then you can see the vocabulary list created for your child on top of the list. Sometimes you can see a big list of things with a similar writing on there, and check the date. Possibly the latest date is the one created by our school. Also, if it is need to be customized, we put WL in the file name so you know it's for Wenlin Chinese School. And you can choose that one. Sometimes we also send very standardized stroke orders, radical practice. For example, from any of this list, you can click it and practice the handwriting for all of them. Then, yeah, it doesn't have WL in it. This one is very unique for us and likely to have duplications out there in public. Therefore, there's no WL in it. Okay, but any of this your children can practice on. So what you need to do is you just click a single once. Don't need to double click because it doesn't show if you double click it opens. It does not need to be opened. You only need to click once. And then the word list is loaded at the back of this platform. See here, the file names is already there. And then the character shows one by one. The first one is this. So your child can start writing and tracing. Yeah, if your child is writing the different stroke, not what is supposed to be next, it won't stay. It tells you which one should go next. And then finish. And finish, it tells you the pronunciation as well. If you press this, so it's very interactive, better than print out copies because of the interactivity. Then if you want to practice again, if you want to say, I've done it, I go to the next. Say, show it again, doesn't work. It tells you which stroke you should go to and then the name of the stroke. Then you keep going this way, and then so the teacher even has the number on there, the third stroke, yeah, and then pronunciation, and then you got the meaning of the character, sums up again, meaning of the character, pronunciation, and you practice. See, if the children want to randomly draw, it does not allow. And then this way can help children learn, get used to, and develop a sense of a stroke order. Therefore, we use this interactive tool, and they see 5 strokes there. So if you do thumbs up and go to the next, and when they finish in the end, you can redo it, practice again as well. This is great for young children who hasn't got very solid pencil control yet. And then tracing with finger on tablets, follow the guidance is much more easier and fun for children. So it's the experience help them develop the sense of stroke order, getting used to draw the shape of the strokes rather than the Latin letters, the curve, the lines and everything. Chinese characters with corners and straight lines. So it's great for young age children especially. If there's any questions, feel free to ask us at any time. Thank you.